I'm sure you've heard about the new smartphone from the founding father of the OnePlus brand, Carl Pei, which should be presented to the public this summer. Especially for you, I found fresh details about the new flagship killer. At the very least, I sincerely hope that Nothing Phone can take this title. Hi, it's OZN, and before I start, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. If you follow the tech industry, you have probably heard about the much-hyped Nothing Phone 1. Nothing hasn't divulged much about the smartphone yet, but we already know that it is going to come with a transparent back, super slim bezels and a Snapdragon processor. And while we await an official confirmation about the launch, the Nothing Phone 1 has been certified by Singapore's IMDA certification website. The alleged IMDA listing of the Nothing Phone 1 was first shared by tipster Mukul Sharma on Twitter. It suggests the upcoming smartphone will carry model number A063. The listing also revealed that it is a 5G mobile phone and comes with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and NFC functionalities. In another tweet, Sharma confirmed that the Nothing Phone 1 is currently in the private testing stage in several Asian countries, including but not limited to Indonesia, India and Malaysia. Notably, the smartphone was reported to be in the final testing phase in India back in May, so it's possible the handset will be launched in India before the rest of the world. As mentioned above, the Nothing Phone 1 will support a transparent back and a recycled aluminum mid-frame. It will have a unique front with no chin, meaning it will feature a slim bottom bezel. The phone will draw power from a Snapdragon chipset, however we do not know which processor will it pack. My best guess is a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 system on chip. On the software front, Nothing Phone 1 will run the in-house Nothing OS based on Android 12. Moreover, the smartphone will get 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security updates, which is good but not the best. Frankly, I do not have any more information about the other technical specs of the smartphone. As per previous reports, the Nothing Phone 1 will launch on July 21st, so maybe we'll know more in the coming weeks. My today's question is, in your opinion, at this exact moment, who is the best Android phone manufacturer? Your answers, as always, you can leave in the comment section below. I will definitely read everything and I will answer the most interesting comments and give hearts from the channel. If this video seems interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. You were watching OZN and I'll see you guys in the next one.